Welcome. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to change out the battery in the Subaru remote key fob. So this is from a 2016 Subaru Outback, but you'll find many Subarus have this same fob. So I'll be replacing the battery with one of these. It's a CR2032 coin cell. And if you do need a battery, I'll put a link in the description of the batteries I'm using. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So I'll pop this out. So if we flip this over, we can see this little silver button. So we can press that in. You can use your finger. I'm just going to use a screwdriver. And out slides the emergency key. So you could use this in an emergency to unlock your door. Now if your battery's dead, you can hold this key fob up to your start button. Just hold it right next to it and then press the start button and it will recognize this. So now that we have this open, you can see there's a little slot right here. So you have the metal from the button. And just to the right of that, there's a little slot. I'm going to set my screwdriver all the way to the right and I'm going to rotate clockwise. Just like that. So that split it open. I'll carefully lift the top off. Like so, and we're inside. So now I can use my fingernail and just pull this right out. Now there's probably going to be dust and hair in it, just like mine. You can clean that out if you want. So here's the circuit board with the battery. You want to be careful about pressing these buttons. You don't want to set anything off. Now to take the battery out, we want to come in from the outside and just stick our screwdriver under here. Carefully, give it a little twist, and that battery will pop out. You can also press outwards on these little black tabs. Battery's gone. Put the new one in. We want positive up. Usually you'll see a plus sign on it. So these are kind of different from a regular battery. You would think that this side would be positive, but that's actually negative. The outer shell is positive on these. So we want to put those under those little notches here and here, and then press the battery in place like that. Now we can put this back in the fob. We want to make sure it's centered properly inside the button. Okay, so it's even all the way around here. You can put the shell on. This doesn't have any kind of hinging on it. You can just put it right down in the middle. And we'll press it back together. Now the key, you may just wiggle it just a little bit if you have trouble getting it in. Slides right in like that, and you're done. So that's how to replace the battery in a key fob for a Subaru. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.